The iQOO Neo 10 Pro Plus is now available for pre-booking in China ahead of its official launch later this month. We also get our first official look at the device's design. It will feature a similar look to the Neo 10 Pro but with a blue checkerboard pattern. iQOO Neo Series product manager Luo Jiahui shared the first full look at the iQOO Neo 10 Pro Plus device across social media. The official video reveals that the iQOO Neo 10 Pro Plus sports a striking and unconventional design. The iQOO Neo 10 Pro Plus is rumored to have a 6.82-inch 2K flat OLED screen. The iQOO Neo 10 Pro Plus will feature the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset paired with an independent Q2 supercomputing chip. It will have 12 GB of RAM and Android 15. The Neo 10 Pro Plus will include a 16-megapixel front camera and a rear setup with a 50-megapixel main sensor and an 8-megapixel secondary lens, potentially over a large 7,000 mAh battery with 120W fast charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.